Hello everyone, very good afternoon, good morning and good evening everyone. Are you able to hear me? And are you able to see me? Hi Mishita.
Hi sir.
Can everyone come on screen? Hi, hello Naja. Naja, unmute please.
Hi sir.
Good. So I'm able to hear you. And who else we have? I think Priyanka, come on screen. Kanak, very good evening. Good to see you after long. Come on screen. So let more people join, but we'll start. We'll start in a minute. How are you, everyone? And how many of you done the homework? Naja ne kiya hai? Good. Kanak, so good. Kanak, after so many months. Unmute Kanak, and how are you?
Good sir.
Good. I keep talking to Satvik about you. Nice. So Priyanka, come on screen. Still Alicia and Mayank, and you will have to join, but we will start. So Naja has done the homework. Nishita has done the homework. Priyanka, come on screen. Kanak, have you done the homework? Have you watched the videos? Kanak, the first video.
I haven't finished it, but I mostly watched all of it.
Perfect. So the idea is first 5 to 7 minutes we are going to discuss about homework, and if there any doubt, any conceptual doubt, any concept problem, any understanding problem, and then we are going to start the second session today. So tell me, Najha or Kanak or Mishita or Priyanka, or any doubt, any particular question you have doubt.
Sir,
Let me, yes please. This was the homework, tell me.
in the 25th
First
question.
okay, let me ask you. Let me do one thing. Okay, let me do different. Okay. First 5 questions. Anyone any doubt? If nobody speak, I'll move on. First 5 questions. Anybody any doubt? No. Move on. Question number 6 to 8. Any confusion? Any doubt? No doubt. Perfect. Question 9 and 10. Arranging. Any doubt? Anyone?
Sir,
Yes, Naja.
10th one I have a doubt.
Tell me your
It
doubt.
is given that 6 by 7, then 0.0007, and then 0 is coming.
Because descending order means highest to lowest.
Yes.
So between descending order means what? Big, small, 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 small. Correct?
Yes, sir. But
So wait, I'll explain. Now 6 by 7 and 0. Who is bigger? 0 is nothing, right?
okay,
6 by 7 is some positive number. So 6 by 7 is bigger than 0. Now
Thank you.
6 by 7 or 0.0007. 6 by 7 is approximately 0.9. Correct? 6 by 7 is approximate decimal is 0.9 something. So 0.9 is bigger or 0.00007 is bigger.
0.9.
That is why 6 by 7 will come, then 0.007 and then 0. Doubt cleared? Perfect. Tell me, anybody, any other question on first 10 questions? Mayank, tell me. Yes, Mishita. Mayank, come on screen.
Question 9.
Yes. Which of the below numbers are rational numbers? Tell me what is your doubt.
I don't know if the square root of 5 and the square root of...
The square roots are irrational number if they don't turn out to integer. All
Okay.
square roots which are non-perfect are not rational number, because if you say root of 5, root of 2, root of 3, root of 7, root of 11, you'll get something like 2.3333 something, 1.34 something. So they are not a rational number. But Nishita, if you do root of 9, what is square root of 9? 3. So that is a rational because you are able to get the integer. Root of 100 is 10. So it's an integer, so rational. So all the roots which never give you any integer are not rational. Okay? Perfect. Mayank, any question from first 10?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Very quickly. And why you should join early. Guys, everybody should join on time. Okay? So Mayank, till you check, let me ask others. Guys, any question?
Sir, question number 10.
Question number 10. What's the doubt? Ask me. I just explained. Ask me your doubt quickly. Mayank, what is the doubt in question number 10?
Sir, in 6 by 7 and 0.
6 by 7 is something like 6 by 7 is how much if you divide? It is 0.9 something. 0.9 is bigger or 0 is bigger?
0.
0 is bigger than 0.9. 0 is nothing. See, positive numbers, 0 and then negative numbers. So 6 by 7 is how much? 0.9. It is more than 0, right? So 6 by
Yes,
7
sir.
is bigger. 0 is smaller. 0
Yes,
is smaller than 0.007 also, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, question number 11 to 15. Who has doubts? Quickly tell me. And guys, everybody should be on the screen. No excuses from next class, okay?
And sir,
Everyone has to be
question,
screen.
sir,
Kanak-
question number 9 also.
Kanak, Priyanka, and everyone should, and Mayank, where are you? Everybody should open your video. No excuses, please, okay? Tell me, Mayank, which question you said?
Sir, question number 9.
Question number 1, what is doubt?
Sir, in second number and fifth number.
Second number 0. 0 is a rational number. I said all in 0 is integer, correct?
And sir, fifth number.
Fifth number is minus 2 by 5. What is the problem there? It's a simple integer with fraction. So it's a rational number, correct? You understand what is rational number? Number with roots are not right. Okay, anybody, any doubts from 11 to 15? Yes or no? Still, why not?
Yes, sir.
Still not everyone on screen, guys. So 11 to 15, ask me doubt quickly. Which question? You all understood associative, distributive, and commutative, right?
Sir, all
Nishita?
11 to 15.
No, you cannot. Then you will not understood that you watch my video again. Okay, Mayank? Mayank, you watch my video again. Have you watched my video?
No, sir.
Why? If you have doubt, then why you not watched? So, guys, we'll use first 7 minutes to discuss the doubts, conceptual doubt. You cannot say, sir, all of this because you were present in the class. So, Mayank, watch my video again of the
Okay,
last
sir.
class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then try to this very clearly explain. Anybody a doubt from 16 to 20? Quickly. Yes,
So,
ma'am. Tell me, Raja.
in the question number 18 and 19 mainly, so when we do the
What is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is reciprocal. They know about sign will remain same, correct?
so the sign from -3, the minus will go to 7.
No, minus doesn't belong to numerator. Minus is a common thing in between. If I say minus 1 by 5, or if I say 1 by minus 5 are same, correct?
Yes.
So guys, minus does not belong to numerator or denominator. Minus is a common thing to everything. Minus generally come in between. But for our comfort, we write in the top. So whether you say minus 3 by 7 or you say 3 by minus 7, both are same. So the answer for question 18 is
Sir, my
minus
answer
7 by
is
3.
Sir, my answer is 7 by minus 3. So it is correct or
Correct.
wrong?
Correct. And I explained minus you can write anywhere, but the good practice is always write minus on the top. Got it, 18? Which other question on guys? Question 16 to 20. Any other doubt? Vedant, welcome. Why you are late?
Sorry, my computer was like,
Okay.
it wouldn't sign in.
Discussing the doubts now. So you can watch recording, guys, to see what doubts you missed, guys. Okay. So now, let me check my recording is on or not. Will it say on or something? Yes. I think recording is on, right? Let me check one second. So tell me, guys, any question from 21 to 25, any doubt? 21 to 25, anybody's any doubt? Anybody any doubt? 21 to 25? No? Kanak all good? Vedant all good? Question number 26, 27, any doubt? Multiply this with multiply. 27,
Sir, in question number 26.
26. Multiply 5 by 7 with multiplicative inverse of 3 by 14. What is multiplicative inverse of 3 by 14? What is
Sir,
multiplicative-
14 by 3.
14 by 3. So multiply 5 by 7 with 14 by 3. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubt of question number 29 and 30, guys? No
Sir,
doubt
in
at all?
question number 28 and 29.
It's the same thing. What is the additive inverse of 2 by 11?
Sir, yes, sir. 1.
What is the additive inverse of 2 by 11?
Sir, minus 2 by 11.
Correct. So to add 4 by 11 and minus 2 by 11. You know how to add fractions, right? 4 by 11 minus 2 by 11. So it is 2 by 11.
Okay, sir.
How many have you done question number 29 right? Tell me. I'll do question number 29 on the board and then we close. Tell me how many of you got this right? 29.
Yes.
Tell me. Good. Mishita has done. Naja has done. Let's see. Who want to explain me this question? Mishita or Naja? Any one of you. And then we start today's topic. Who want to explain?
So,
Yes, Mishita. Go on.
The additive inverse of 9 is negative 9.
Correct.
So
from negative
you
9 you have
have
to subtract.
5, and negative 9 subtract 5 is negative 14.
That's it. Basic integer operation. First you find out additive inverse of 9, which is negative 9. From this you subtract 5. And we know both negative, we add up. Very good, Mishita. Very good. This one. So now tell me honestly on the chat, out of 30 questions, how many can get 25 correct? Is anyone who get 25 or more correct? No? I know some questions were difficult, I know. Mishita has done good, Mishita. Who else? No one else? You're counting it? Count. Vedant, you done all the homework? Okay. How many got 20 plus wrong? Correct. Mishita gone, yes. Who else? Kanak got. Naja got. Naja got 27. Very good, Naja. Superb. So guys, you are better now in terms of rational numbers compared to 8 days ago, before my first session, right? Now today we are going to learn. Mishita got 29. That's nice. See, what I'm trying to understand is, and where is Priyanka? Priyanka, are you in this class or not? Please unmute and speak, Priyanka. I'm not seeing your chat, neither I'm seeing your.
Sir, I am not well.
But you can speak, right?
No, sir.
So just listen. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So let's start today's class now. Well done, guys. I want everyone to do all the homework because it will give you a lot of ideas. Plus, any question you can always ask me. Okay. So today we are going to increase the depth of rational number. Today we are going to learn how to draw or how to put rational numbers on number. That is first thing we'll talk about. Everybody knows number line, correct? Suppose if I put, this is my number line. And suppose I have to put, say, integers. The 0 is here. So I'll say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, correct? If I have to put negative numbers, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. This is how we put integers on the number line, correct or not? We all know.
Yes, sir.
Right, Mac? Now, how to put rational numbers on number line? Very easy. So let's see. Suppose this is my number. Suppose I have to put rational number 1 by 2 on. So 1 by 2. So this is 0. This is 1. This is negative. No, 1 by 2 is more than 0 or less than 0?
Sir,
Everybody
more
on
than 0.
unmute. More than 0? 1 by 2 is half, right? And 1 by 2 is more than 1 or less than 1?
Or less than 1.
It will come somewhere in between 1 by 2. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
If I ask you, suppose let me put a number line, you all will say, sir, very easy. Put a number line open-ended in both the place. Suppose I put something here, something here, something here, something here, something here. Suppose if I say this is my -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. This is integers. If I put and say, please put 1.5 on number line, 1.5 mixed fraction, where it will come? Where 1.5 will come on the number line? You know that is more than, it will somewhere here, correct? 1.5. If somebody says, put 2.25, where will it come, Kanak? 2.25.
Over the 2.
So 3 is here, so it will go beyond 2, somewhere here, 2.25. Correct. Tell Mishita, if I say -1/4 or -1/4, where should it come in number line? So it is lesser than 0. Yes, Mishita?
It will go near the 0.
There, on the negative side. Correct? And tell Naja, if I say -1.5, -1.5, where should it come in the number line?
Sir, in between -1 and -2.
Between -1 and -2, somewhere. Correct? Yes, please. So it's the same way, guys. But this is the first part. But if I put the number differently, suppose this is my number line. Say this is 0, 1, and 2. Tell me 1/4, 1/2, 1/8, where will they come on the number line? Between 0 and 1 or 1 and 2? Or before 0 or after 2? Vedant?
So they would go in the middle of 0 and 1.
They will come in between 0 and 1. Now, obviously, depends upon how much far they are. We'll learn that 1/4 is smallest. It will be somewhere here. Half exactly middle. 1/8 is smaller. That will do. But the idea is first find out which integers they enclose between. Correct? Right, Mayank? Any number line, any number, you can always put. If I ask you 5.25, 7.5, -4 1/3, -2 3/5. Now tell me where 5.25 will come, Mayank, on the number line. Between which two numbers? Between which two integers?
5 and 6.
Sir, 5 and 6.
Very good. So this is 5. This is 6. It will come somewhere here. Tell me, Kanak, where will 7.5 come?
Between 7 and 8.
Correct, between 7 and 8. Tell me, Mishita, where -4 1/3 will come?
Between -4 and -5.
Got it, guys? Between -4 and -5, because -4 and 1/3. So it is more towards. See, that is the many mistake we will do. This is, if this is -4, -5 will be more negative towards left, correct? So -1/4, 1/3 somewhere. Similarly, Priyanka, if you can speak, or Vedant, whoever, how will minus 2, 3 by 5 look on number line? Yes, Vedant.
Okay, sorry. It's between -2 and -3.
It's between -2 and -3. So -2 is here, -3 is here. It will be somewhere between. Now, where it is, obviously we'll learn that now. The basic concept is clear. It's like integer, but in between. But,
Yes, sir.
but now I'll ask you a very simple question. Write one rational number exactly. I want everyone to write on chat between 2 and 3. There are two different type of questions we are going to do today. Suppose this is my number line. This is 2. This is 3. Write one rational number exactly between 2 and 3. Exactly between means the midway. So it has to be 2.5. Or you can say it is 2.5. Or you can say it is 5/2. Whichever way, I don't mind. All are same. Exactly in between, you can say this is my rational number 2.5. But these are easy, right? But you are correct, 2.5. But the moment I change a question like this, let's see how many you can do now. This was easy. Write one rational number exactly between 5 and 12. Now tell me. Let's see how many you can do it. So let's do the complexity, increase the complexity. I'll tell you the method. Write one rational number exactly between 5 and 12. Nishita says 8.5. Okay. Others, please. It's very simple method, guys. Put the first number, second number, add both of them. Add both the numbers and divide by 2. That is the method. Add both the numbers, Mayank. So 5 plus 12 is 17. You will say, sir, 17 by 2. 17 by 2 is how much? 8.5. Or 8.5. So when you to write one number exactly between two numbers, just add them and divide by 2. Got it, Mayank? Naja?
Yes, sir.
So now if everybody, I want this time, I want everyone to do answer correctly. Let's see how many you can do it. Write one rational number exactly between 17 and 64. You mean decimal, you mean fraction, I don't know.
Sir, 40.5.
Everybody write. You write on chat. Which is the 40.5. Okay. Keep writing. What you're going to do is, you will say, sir, I'll add 17 with 64. 74, 80. And then I'll divide by 2. So it is 40.5 or 40.5. Now tell me, is everyone good? Then write CC on the chat. If you're clear, write CC on the chat. If not, ask me the doubt. I want CC from everyone. Also doubt. Too easy? Good, Priyanka, Naja, Vedant, everyone. Super. But let's do a difficult question. Let's see how many of you can do it, okay? Help me now. Let's see, can you do or not? Okay, Nishita, Vedant, okay. I'll wait for others. The one rational between exactly between -3 and 6. Again, you will say, sir, the method is same, -3 plus 6. This is how much? 3. And then divide by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5 or 1.5. Understood, method? Naja? Method is same. Only problem was, it was negative number. That's okay. -3 plus 6 is 3. Got, Naja? And the last question maybe on this type is, write one rational number exactly between -11 and -14. Nishita, good, very fast.
Sir, minus 12 point.
-12.5 or -12.5, right? Correct, Naja? 14 and 11 is 25, which is -25 because negative number. -25 by 2 or -12.5 or -12.5. All good? So similarly, this is okay because we are writing only one number. But the problem starts when? If I say, write 3 rational numbers, not exactly between, but between 1 and 5. You can write very easily.
Sir, 2.5.
Write on chat. Write 3 rational numbers between 1 and 5. Everybody will do. Three rational numbers 1 and 5. You can say, sir, 2, 3, 4, 2.1, 2.2, infinite, 3 point. So many things, right? 2 point something, something, something. It's all this. You can write decimals, you can write fraction, doesn't matter, right? This is easy. Problem will come when I say now we'll say, array, sir, what is happening? Now I'll give you a simple method. If I say first write one rational number, you still can try. 1 by 3 by chance it can happen, but the method, okay? One rational number you can say 1 by 3, correct? But the moment I say 2, you say, array, sir, what? Correct? The method, everybody understand the method. First number is 1 by 2. Second number is 1 by 4. I want everyone to focus because this is the most important thing. You will get in every exam. The only rule is make the denominator same. So that you can write so many numbers. Which denominator is bigger? This is bigger. This is smaller. So make this also 4. How can you make this 4? You
Multiply by 2.
Multiply by 2 at the bottom and the top. This number become what?
2, 4.
They become 2 by 4. This become 1 by 4. You will say, sir, it still is difficult, right? You can't write between 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now, you do one thing, you add zeros. Can we write 2 by 4 as 20 by 40 or not? Just put zeros both the places. Yes or no? 2 by 4 and 20 by 40 are same or different? Add 0 and add. Similarly, 1 by 4 can be written as 10 by 40 or not, guys?
Yes.
So now if I say, write 2 rational number between 20 by 40 and 10 by 40, you will say, sir, there are too many. How? You will say, sir, 11 by 40, 12 by 40, 13 by 40, 14 by 40, 15 by 40, 16 by 40, 17 by 40, till 19 by 40, 20 by 40. Got it?
Sir, please explain this once more.
I'll explain again. I'll take another example, okay? Sure, Vedant. So, write, I'll explain again. Write 5 rational numbers between, and this is for everyone, guys, between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, this is the question, Mayank. Okay, Mayank. First you write 1 by 5 here. You write 1 by 2. You have to write 5 rational number between these two. Correct? Are denominator same, Mayank or Kanak? Are denominator same? No.
No, sir.
Make them same. How we can make them same? How we can make the denominator same?
Sir, -3.
No. It's not about minus or plus. It's always about multiply. Because it's called LCM, right? So we cannot make it same unless we multiply with something. We cannot add or subtract. We cannot. Because it's about LCM, lowest common multiple. Yes, Mishita. So 5 and 2.
Do you multiply 5 by 2?
Correct. We multiply 5 with 2 and 2 with 5. Because we want to get the same number in both. 10. Right, man? 5 and 2 both end up at 10 because 5 times 2 is 10. The LCM. So how will make 5 as 10? We multiply by 2. But you have to multiply top also. What is the number becomes, Mayank? 2 by 10 or not?
Yes, sir.
Mayank, the rule is if you multiply denominator, you multiply numerator also with the same. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So we got 2 by 10 is the first number. Same as this. So similarly, we want to get 1 by 2 as denominator 10. What do you multiply with?
5.
5 and 5. So how much will become?
10. 5,
So
10, yeah.
what we are doing? We are trying to make denominator same. So my numbers are now 2 by 10 and 5 by 10. So I can write the number as, if I want to write few numbers, so I can say the number between them are 3 by 10, 4 by 10. But how many numbers we wanted?
5.
But we got only
5.
2. But now 5 by 10 we cannot write because only there. So sir, this is not enough. So now Mayank, I am saying if you do not have enough, put 0. Put 1 0 here, 1 0. How much become 20 by 100? Put 1 0 here, 1 0. How much become 50 by 100? Add 1 0 on the top, 1 0 on the bottom. Means you're multiplying with 10 and 10. Okay, man? Kanak? Maja?
Yes, sir.
So now you have to write rational numbers between 20 by 100 and 50 by 100. You say, sir, there are too many. The numbers are 21 by 100. Numbers are 22 by 100. Numbers are 23 by 100. How many you can write? You can write too many or not? Till you reach 50, you can add all those numbers. These are the rational number between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. So many numbers you can write. Understood, Mayank, or not? Raja, Vedant, Kanak?
Yes, sir. Understood.
First make denominator same and then write all the numbers. Okay, so let's try one more question for all of us. Write 5 rational number between 3 by 10 and 'Try this and give me answer not in decimal, give me answer in fraction, okay? So let's see how to write rational numbers, many rational numbers between the given number. Make denominator same and then see how many you can find. Let me put one box for the left side number, one box for the right side number. 3 by 10, 7 by 5. 3 by 10 can be as it is. 7 by 5, can we make it something by 10 or not?
Sir, 31 by 500, 32 by 500, 33 by 500.
ना 500 कैसे होगा? डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना है मयंक, डिनोमिनेटर देखो 7 by 5 को मैंने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 14 by 10 हो जाएगा. डिनोमिनेटर नीचे वाला सेम करना है. यहाँ पे 10 है मयंक, यहाँ भी 10 चाहिए, तो क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई विद 2.
Yes, sir.
अब इसके बीच people between this we can write many numbers or not? You can write. Maja is saying. You can say 30 by 100 also. There is no wrong. Yes. Or you can say like that also. Without putting 0 also you can say, sir, this become, you can write 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, 11 by 10. Yes or no? See how many numbers we could write? Many, right? 1, 2, 3, 9 numbers I could write, correct? Agree, Mayank? But, Mishita agree? Kanak agree? Priyanka, all good?
Yes, sir.
But, now if I say, is not 5, I want 25 rational number. You say, sir, how come we'll do? Because we finish the range. So then I am saying, we finish the range of this, now put extra zeros in the, make this
Sir, 30 by 100, sir, 30 by 10 or 140 by
30
10.
by 100. You have to put 0 both top and bottom. Mayank, you can't change.
Sir.
You put something on top, put on the bottom. So now how many numbers you can write? Too many. You will say, sir, 31 by 100, 32 by 100, 33 by 100, 34 by 100. Like that you go up to 140 by 100. So many numbers. Clear, everyone? So let's do one more question so that everybody can complete it. Right? 10 rational numbers. I'll give you 10. Between 1 by 8 and 2 by 5. Let's see how many can do it. I'll see your chats now. Take your time, but I want it correct. And if any confusion, please ask.
Sir, we have to multiply same number with denominator.
Whatever you multiply denominator, you multiply same with numerator. In this case, you will multiply 1 by 8 with 5 and 5. And 2 by 5 with 8 and 8. Why? Because you want both to be 40. You know LCM, Mayank? Have you learned about LCMs, Mayank?
Yes, sir.
What is LCM of 8 and 5? 40.
Yes.
So make both of them 40. So Mayank, what you do is you multiply this first with 5 and 5. And you multiply this with 8 and 8. Okay? Right. You have to make both as same denominator.
Sir, we have to multiply 8 into 5 and 5 into 8.
हाँ, because 40 चाहिए दोनों जगह पे. ये क्या बन गया? 5 by 40, right?
Yes, sir, and 2 by 40.
एंड इसको 8 से करना है. 2/40 कैसे बनेगा? मयंक तुम भूल रहे हो, ऊपर भी तो करना पड़ेगा 8 से. देखो मयंक, रूल क्या है? अगर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करो 8 से तो क्या नहीं करना पड़ेगा?
यस सर.
अच्छा 8 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया? 5 से.
यस सर.
तो इसको भी किया ना.
यस सर.
सिमिलरली यहाँ पे 8 से क्या, दोनों करना पड़ेगा. समझा मयंक? यू टू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर सेम नंबर. So Naja says 6/40, 7/40, 8/40, 15/40, 14/40. फिर 400 भी चलेगा. वेरी गुड नजा. उसके पहले आई थिंक who has given? Nishita has given 26/200. She's going more far. Okay. 9/40. See, it's all your choice, guys. Kanak says 15/40. That is correct. 14/40. Correct. 13/40. 12/40. Good, Kanak. Vedant, your answers? No, I can write answers as Priyanka, your answers, please. So we can start with 6/40, 7/40, 8/40, and like that till 15 till too many, right? This is how it is. Any question, anyone, before I give the last question on this? Mayank, clear है?
यस सर. सर ये सर जो नंबर से डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसी से न्यूमरेटर को भी
उसे न्यूमरेटर करना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट. अब डिसाइड कैसे करेंगे किससे करना है? तो यहाँ पे 8 है, यहाँ पे 5 है.
सर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई.
तो कितना 40 हो गया ना?
यस सर.
तो इसको 40 कैसे बनाएंगे?
इंटू 5.
तो यहाँ भी इंटू 5 होगा, ऊपर भी, राइट?
मतलब सर दोनों डिनोमिनेटर को इंटू करेंगे और 5 का टेबल में 40 आता है.
8 टाइम्स. करेक्ट. 8 टाइम्स में आता है, राइट?
यस सर.
Perfect. Let's try one more, guys. Write 5 rational numbers between 1/9 and 1/4. Try. Priyanka, what happened to you? Let's see how many you can do this correct. 1/9 and 1/4, I want you to write. Okay, Naja, okay, Nishita, 5/36, 6/36, 7/36, 8/36, 41/8/36, 41/360. Okay. Vedant, Nishita, 360. Okay, it's all your choice. You can make it 360. You can make 3,600. You can make 36,000. Doesn't matter, guys. It's no limit. So we'll multiply 1/9 with 4 and 4. So become 4/36, right? And And we are multiplying 1 by 4 with 9 and 9. Why? Because I want same number on denominator. So now, how many numbers are there in between? Too many. There are too many numbers you can write between this. Too many numbers. Some easiest examples are 5 by 36, 6 by 36, 7 by 36, and so on. But somebody will say, sir, no, I am more greedy, I want more. You will say 40, 360. You will say 90, 360. So you will say, sir, I can write more. Okay. I can write 41 by 360, 42 by 360, 43 by 360. There is no stoppage. You can do as many, right? That's it. But Priyanka says, no, sir, I want to write thousands of numbers. Correct? Priyanka can say, I can write thousands of numbers. So we will go add again one more zero. Zero here, zero here. Zero here. And zero here. Full stop, no. So I can write now 401 by 3600. 402 by 3600. Correct or not? Is everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm going to, very good, Priyanka. So now I'm going to ask you one question. Let's see how many can you answer. Write the answer on chat. How many numbers can be possible? How many rational numbers actually possible between, think and tell me, between 1 and 2. Tell me on chat. You can write how many numbers? 1 number, 2 number, or 5 or 10, or how many numbers you can write between 1 and 2, which are rational numbers. Show the answer on chat. I don't want you to write the numbers. You write how many. With 1 or 2 or 5, Kanak, okay. Kanak, your answer is correct. I will not tell others. You can write a private chat, guys. Kanak is correct. Mayank, you are correct. Vedant, not. Nishita, I will comment later because you write on public chat. Others, Majaz is okay. So, correct. The right answer is infinite. As much as possible, right, Vedant? Infinite. Because I keep adding. I can add between 1 and 2, or I can divide by, I can make it as much as 1. Infinite numbers possible. Cool. You can do any question now. Shall we do one last question, which is more difficult? Then we start the next topic, very different. That is the grade 9 topic, okay? From after this, okay? This was grade 8. That's it. So we'll do grade 9 also today, okay? How many? No. Right? 3 rational numbers between 5 by 11 and right. This is the question which defines everything. (46 by 99). Okay, 56 by 99. Nishita, you are smart. Nice. Naja, 47, 98, 79, 40. People are not choosing their own number. That's good. Both of you are correct. I'll wait for others. 47, 99, 49, 99, 74, 99. Okay, Vedant, good. I wait for others. Mayank says this. Very good, Mayank. No, you're getting it, Mayank. Very good, Mayank. So everybody done? So easy. Kanak is done. Let me check. Okay. I'll wait for Kanak also. Kanak. I know you know it. We want only 3 numbers, guys. Not much. We are going to make denominator same. Denominator is 11, denominator is 9. Both can be meet up 11 into 9, 99. We need to make 99. How will we make 99? Denominator is 9. So 40. And we multiply this with 11 because we want 99. So I have to write between this. Correct, everybody? So now you can write 46 by 99, 47 by 99, 48 by 99, 49, 50, 51, 52, 76 by 99. Kanak, all good? Anybody, any question on rational numbers? Tell me, is it a rational number or not? Yes, no. Naja? It is a rational number, Naja? They are saying yes, Mishita saying no. But Naja, you tell me why yes, tell Mishita you say why no. Let me hear. I'll come to my end to you. Naja, why yes, and Mishita, why no? Unmute.
Sir, can't we put 0 as the numerator?
0 is the numerator only, yes. You said it's a rational number, correct? Nishita, why no?
Because any number divided by 0 is 0. So
We are not dividing by 0. 0 is what? 0 means 0 by 1, or it means 0 by 5, or it means 0 by 9, correct? So 0 is a rational number, guys. Naja, you are right, but why you are not confident? It's a rational number. It's a rational number. 0 cannot be denominator, Mishita. Correct? Numerator it can be. Agree, everyone? Like 5. 5 is a rational number. Why? Because 5 is 5 by 1. Correct? So that completes your rational number chapter for grade 8. As I said, these are mid-level, mid-school classes. We are going to go more deep. So we are going to learn today and tomorrow a big topic of grade 9, which you should must learn. Okay? So grade 9, some of you might have grade 8 also, but grade 9 definitely will. We are going to learn little bit of today irrational numbers. So who will tell you what is irrational? What are irrational numbers? Feel free to come in. Speak it out. Yes, Kanak.
Numbers that aren't rational.
Oh, very nice, very smart. Numbers which are not rational numbers, right? Yes, Vedant.
Numbers that cannot be shown using a fraction or any integers.
Numbers which cannot be written, which can't be written in numerator by denominator form, where both are integers, correct? Who else? Can anybody give me 2 examples of irrational numbers?
Sir, I don't know examples, but it's the irrational numbers when we divide it, then we get that point, like 0.2222 or 3333, like that.
The first irrational number was the first irrational number discovered root 3, root 5. Yes, Mishita. 1 over root 2. Tell me, Mishita.
like square root numbers or Can it be?
Square root numbers which doesn't end up giving you integer. For example, I was saying, what is square root of 9? 3, right? Right, Mishita? So this is not irrational because 3 is a integer. So this is not. Root 2, root 3, root 5. I'm going to explain in detail. But the basic thing is, which are not rational, which cannot be written in the form of numerator and denominator where both are integer. Please ask me, Nishita.
So are decimals rational or irrational?
Very good question. I'll explain now. That is the key. See, why we call them irrational numbers. But Nishita and everyone else, very important concept. How we decide whether it's a decimal number, non-decimal number. The idea is, if you cannot write a number in the form of numerator and denominator, where both are integers, then it is a irrational. For example, 1.5, it's a decimal number, right, Mishita? So does it a rational or irrational? I can write 1.5 as what it is. It's irrational. 3.33, 333, what it is? I can write this as irrational. Because I can able to write, listen, the point is I am able to write in numerator and denominator both. But if I say root of 2, this is 1.7324 something till never end. This is irrational. You know the story between how it was formed? Anybody know the story? You know, Raja? I told you one of my class. No? Ask me, Raja. And I am going to give you very good examples after 5 minutes. Tell me, Raja.
Sir, so 3.33333 is not right. It is rational or not?
It is a rational.
It is rational.
But I'll tell you why. I'll give you a different concept. I'll tell you why it is. Okay? So, like Vedant said, see, the number which you cannot write in the form of numerator denominator where both are integers. Only those numbers are not rational. Here it is. This is integer or not? This is integer or not? This is integer, this is integer, right? But you cannot write this as a form of like 7 by 3, 8 by 3, 9 by 4. No, you cannot write. It's not possible. So I'll tell you one story, okay? Then you understand. You know who are the greatest mathematicians in history? Have you heard about Greeks? Have you heard about this name? Have you heard about this name or not? The Greek, the people who lived in Greece and Romans. Yes, Indians are also, but they were great mathematicians, especially this. Okay? So listen carefully. They believed, listen carefully, story, real story mine. They believed कि पूरे world में, पूरे universe में, in whole universe, every number is rational number. They believe. They believe every number in the world is rational number. Means what? You give them any number, they will write in the form of something by something. And both are integer. Okay? So they believed. So then one of the Greek, their friend, they told, please write square root of 2 in the form of numerator denominator. You know what? They tried. They tried what? They tried 7 by 5. Not accurate. They tried 11 by 6, not accurate. They tried so much, 14 by 9. They tried for so many months. They could not write this in the form of numerator and denominator where both are integers. You know what they did? They killed that person. They killed that person who asked the question. Nishita, can you believe? They killed that person who asked that question. He write root 2 in the form of numerator and denominator. They killed him. But even they killed him, the question was still there, right? They tried for not only 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month. They tried for many years. Different ways. They cannot write square root of 2 into form of something in the numerator, something in the denominator. They cannot write. Finally, they have to accept that there are some number in the world you cannot write in form of numerator. They finally accepted after so many years that there are certain numbers we cannot write from numerator denominator where both are integers. Got it? So they termed this, so then they defined all those numbers they called as irrational. Got it? Yes, ask me, Shita.
So, sir, are prime numbers irrational numbers?
No, prime numbers are integers, right? 2, 3, 5, they are integers, right? 5 is 5 by 1, 3 by 1, right?
Oh.
Prime numbers are natural numbers, right?
No, I mean the square root of prime
Square root
numbers.
are not prime. Square root of prime numbers. You are perfect. Square root of prime numbers are irrational. You are correct. To the point. Square root of prime numbers will always be irrational. Good, Mishita, very good. So everybody understood Vedant, Naja, Priyanka, Kanak, what are irrational numbers? So how to identify? How to identify? How to identify irrational? So please write down. They have two properties. And after that, Naja, you will understand which numbers are rational, which are not. First property is non-terminating decimals. Means what? They will never end. For example, it's like that. 1.34 something dot. It will never end. Never terminate. Got it? They will never terminate for lifelong, infinity. And is pattern repeating here? Are the pattern repeating same pattern? No, right? Non-repeating decimal. So Naja, Nishita, Kanak, Priyanka, Vedant and Mayank, all those numbers which has both the things, they will not end, they will not repeat. Only those numbers are irrational. So if Nishita was asking me earlier, right, Nishita, I'll give one example for every one of them. First you write this.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, so any prime number's root, square root is irrational number.
Yes. That's to be. Yes, Nishita.
Sir, so is pi irrational or rational?
That's a very good question. You know, 50%,
Because-
I'll tell you, 50% of people think it's rational 50% of people think it is irrational. I'll explain it. Wait. But I know what is the question. I know. But I'll tell you why. This is the question I am going to ask all of you. Okay. So we should wait for 5 minutes. I'll answer them. So guys, if I say 4.5, is it a rational or irrational? Tell me, Najam. Tell me, Vedant.
So rational.
Rational.
Correct. Irrational. It is rational. Rational. Why? Because it is terminated, stopped, right? Correct, man? After 5, it stopped. It is not going for infinite. So right. Tell me, Mishita, 4.555. Is it rational or irrational?
Rational.
Again, rational because it has stopped. Tell me, Vedant, 4.55555 dot infinite till goes on. Is it rational or irrational?
Irrational.
It is irrational. Why?
Because, oh wait,
It is also rational.
it's
Why?
irrational. It's a
Because
Yeah.
it is not ending, but the dates are repeating.
Yeah, it's continuous.
Dates are repeating or recurring. It is rational because we are able to. I'll explain you how. You will able to convert this into fraction. You will be able to. Yes, madam.
So when the number is the same and it goes on, is
What
it always
called-
rational?
That is what. Yes. That is what is called patterns or recurring.
Okay.
Rashud Mishita, this is also rational because numbers are repeating. Pattern is there. And lastly, 4.5 something dot. No, it is not ending. It is not repeating. Only this number is. Is it clear? If a number has to be irrational, first it should not end up. It should not terminate. Secondly, it should not repeat. Are you clear, all of you? No, I am going to write few examples. You tell me out of below numbers which numbers are rational and irrational. Which of below? Numbers are irrational. I'm going to write many examples. You tell me which one and why. 100, 0.3, 1/4, 2.12, 4.1111, 5.7. 8 point. I gave you so many examples. Tell me out of this how many numbers or which numbers are irrational. Let's see how many you understand. I will ask everyone. Tell me, Shila, your choice first.
7.40294 repeating is irrational.
Tell me, Vedant, your answer. I'll tell you who is right.
I think 5.
294020.
Why? I'm just asking.
Actually,
Okay, think over.
could you come back to me 1 second?
Sure. Tell me, Naja, which number is irrational?
Sir, only 7.40294 because it's like digits. For 8.3535 it has a pattern, but this one does not.
Kanak,
7.4.
same reason.
Yeah.
Mayank,
Sir, 7.40294, 8.35, 3535.
Priyanka,
So 7.4.
why?
So because it is non-repeating and it does not have a pattern.
Correct. This is the only number which is irrational. I'll explain why. This is terminated. Right. Terminated by stopped, right? 0.3 stopped. So rational. 1/4 already in the fraction. Right. 2.12 stopped, terminated, rest. 4.111, but stopped, right? It stopped. This is not infinite. Rest. Vedant, 5.294020 stopped. It is not in going on. So it is also a rest. 7.40294 dot means it will never stop. And numbers are not repeating, no pattern. So you rest. Last one, 8.35. It is not ending, but Mayank, they are repeating, the pattern is there, it is a rest. So only one number out of them are irrational. Got it? I want everyone to write one example of irrational number on the chat. One example. Everyone please. Write one example of irrational number on chat. Okay, and Kanak, you are saying dot, right? Dots are important, Kanak. Otherwise, it will terminate. Kanak, assuming dots are there, correct. Naja, correct. Vedant, correct. Mishita, correct. And I'm waiting for Mayank. Mayank, you have to put dot. Yeah, otherwise it will not. Yes. Good. Let's try one more before I answer Mishita's last question. 5.1. 5.111. 5.111 dot. 5.12 something. 5 point something. Tell me, out of this, there is any irrational number or not? If yes, which are? Tell me, Mishita, Vedant.
The last option, sir.
Yeah,
Okay. Why Vedant?
because most of the other ones are like, so three of them, sorry, are already terminated, and 5.111 continue has a repeating. It's
Correct.
repeating.
So, guys, you are right. Only this number is irrational. That's it. Why? Because you can write all this number in the form of numerator, denominator, fraction. You can write, but this number you try whatever in the world, you will not able to write. Correct? You will not able to write in the form of fractions with integers. That is why this is known as irrational. Good. Any question before I answer? Everybody, what Nishita? This is the only irrational. Any question, anyone, before I explain the last part? No? So no, tell me. Everybody know pi, right? Tell me, pi is a rational or irrational? She was asking me. Tell me your view.
Irrational,
Irrational. Okay. Why?
because it's non-terminating and it's a different it's non-repeating as well.
Okay. So I'll explain Mayank. Mayank, you say why 5.11? They are repeating, na Mayank? I said na. 1111 is repeating, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vedant. Why it is Mishita? Pi is what?
But, sir, you can write pi as 22/7.
Correct. I'm going to explain the answer, but I'm asking what do you feel? It is rational or irrational?
Rational.
Because it is 22/7, correct? Okay. Correct.
Irrational,
Irrational? Why?
because it's non-terminating and
Okay.
it's not repeating.
Naja? No idea?
But I'm not sure what's a pi.
Mayank?
My teacher didn't teach me.
Yeah, you will learn now in after maybe next class, next year. Mayank, what do you think? What is pi? Rational, irrational?
So no idea.
Priyanka?
Sir, irrational.
Pi is irrational. Why? Because So guys, the right answer is pi irrational. Why? Because as Mishida rightly said, sir, pi is taken as 22/7, correct Mishida? 22/7 is a rational because we can write in the form of numerator denominator, right? So 22/7 is rational, Mishida, but pi is not it. Pi is not, because the reason is pi is not equal to, it is not exact. 22/7 is the approximate value of pi. 22/7 is only approximate value of pi. I'll explain. Not exact value. The exact value of pi I will show you. You will all say, sir, what it is. I'll show you on the chair. I'll share now. You will say, sir, what? People have tried up to what, millions and billions. Do you see this, guys, Mishita? Pi value 3.14159263589793234. It will never end, Mishita. So it is non-terminating and non-repeating, correct? That is why pi is a irrational. Okay, man, and everyone. But Mishita, to make it easy for us, we took 3.14.
Sir, because it is dot.
Because there is no space, but they will go on. People have done up to million digits.
Okay, sir.
That is why. It is not ended here. They have not showing. It will never end. So, pi is irrational. But because of calculation, it will be very impractical to use this, right? So we use 3.14 or we use 22/7. 22/7 is approximately equal to 3. What you answer? This is very, believe me, 50% people still doesn't know this. Okay? That is the pi. Pi 22/7 is wrong. It is approximate. Now tell me, anybody, any question? Naja, Priyanka, Siddharth, Sanak. No? Tomorrow's class, Mayank says, sir, if number is different but repeating, so what is this? See, if number is not repeating, if it's different, how it will repeat? Tell me, Mayank.
सर जैसे कि नंबर अलग अलग होगा 1 2 3
मैं बताता हूँ
डॉट तो वो irrational होगा ना
हाँ हम लोग करेंगे कल उसको आई विल एक्सप्लेन सपोज इफ आई राइट अ नंबर एज 3.125 डॉट ये क्या हुआ टेल मी एवरीबॉडी
सर rational
बिकॉज ये रिपीट हो रहा है पैटर्न रिपीटिंग पैटर्न राइट तो लेकिन नंबर को ऐसा है जो पैटर्न ही नहीं है कुछ भी रैंडमली में लिख रहा हूं कुछ भी जो नो पैटर्न चलते जा पूरे लाइक गो फॉर डिफरेंट इज नो पैटर्न वो हो गया ठीक है मैम
ओके सर अगर पैटर्न में होगा तो रैशनल होगा और अगर पैटर्न में होगा तो इरेशनल
हाँ लेकिन मैम एक और बात है अगर मैंने ऐसा लिखा ये रैशनल के इरेशनल है पैटर्न में नहीं है but this number is also
सर इरेशनल
Rational.
क्यों because it is terminated खत्म हो गया है वो मैंने डॉट नहीं लगाया आगे राइट
ओके सर
वो इसलिए मैम देयर आर टू रीजंस गाइस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट शुड नॉट टर्मिनेट सेकंड इट शुड नॉट रिपीट देन ओनली इट इज cool so guys this is what irrational number so tomorrow we are going to learn about how to convert number which are repeating into fraction how to put this number on the number line and how to add subtract irrational tomorrow we'll complete this chapter okay we'll complete the chapter of rational irrational this is grade 9 guys okay grade 8 we already did now we are doing the higher level grade 9 where we are going to learn tomorrow we'll complete this chapter so do a lot of practice today homework I'll send you after tomorrow we'll complete both the classes okay Tell me any question before we close today's class. How was it?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Please. Yes, please.
Sir, I don't really know what's a pi. So is it like algebra?
Acha, I'll tell you. Like in English, we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? In Hindi, we say Ka, Kha, Ga. Which language you speak at home?
I speak Malayalam.
Malayalam, what is alphabets?
Just like.
Similarly in Greek the alphabets are alpha, beta, gamma, right? So pi is also alphabet. So because they were calculating the circle circumference and all, they put some alphabet called pi. That's it. When you do geometry now, you will know that why pi is useful. As of now, nothing to worry. Like if Naja, you would have discovered that, you would have named it in Malayalam, okay? Because the Greek had discovered, they put in the pi. If Indian would have done it, would have done in Hindi, right? It's like that. So it's just take some Greek letter which a constant value. Okay. Vedant, I think everybody got the videos. Vedant, if you have not stored my number, you will not receive my broadcast message. On broadcast message, I send everybody where the videos are available, link and password. So my mobile number you have to store on the WhatsApp, my WhatsApp number. Because WhatsApp will not send you message unless you store it. So I sent last week itself the videos, okay? You store it with us, I'll send you again. Clear, everybody? Tell me, how was it? Did you get some good stuff, deep maths or not?
Yes, sir.
Mayank, I sent the message with link and password, Mayank. Check. Save my number, Mayank. You will get my broadcast message. If you don't get it, send me message. Same to Vedant, okay? If you don't get it, just send me message, I'll forward you. So tell me, Mishita, tell me, Kanak, Naja, Priyanka, was it deep? Understood? Exactly, rationally rational? Perfect. Perfect. See you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.